Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking people on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you would like to block someone who is already your friend on Snapchat, then go into your friends list and locate the person. Now do a long hold press on their username to bring up this menu, and then tap Manage Friendship. Tap Block and then tap Block on the pop-up that appears. That person will now be removed as a friend, and also blocked from finding you, messaging you, and viewing your stories. You can also block people who you are not friends with. To do that, go back to the main Snap page and tap on Add Friends. Type their name into the search bar at the top. When you find them, do a long press on their name and then tap Block, and tap Block again on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.